of Sunday. Well, we've heard the word wedge so much this week. What is that? Ainsley's inside with more.
Yeah, we talked a lot about the wedge this week. We've talked mostly about how much it's changed our temperatures. Our northern counties saw really cool temperatures under the influence of the wedge. Our southern counties stayed a little bit warmer, but the wedge does more than just change the temperatures. It also can inhibit our severe weather chances. And to talk about that, we got to understand what exactly goes into severe weather. So the ingredients that are needed for severe weather. First of all, you need unstable warm air. And within that unstable warm air, you have to have enough moisture, and to lift all that unstable warm air and the moisture up into the upper atmosphere, you have to have a lifting mechanism, and that usually comes in the form of a cold front like we had earlier this week. So warm air is already in place. The cold front is dense or more dense than the warm air, and it causes the warm air to rise up rapidly, and that can create thunderstorms, clouds, rain, things like that. So that's what usually happens when a cold front is approaching. But if a front runs into, instead of running into this warm, moist air mass, if it runs into the wedge air mass, well, that's when this cooler air is trapped at the surface. So it's one dense air mass running into another dense air mass, and this can actually inhibit the chances to see severe weather. So that's kind of what played into our forecast a little bit earlier this week. And again, you saw the wedge kind of staying further towards the north for us for the weekend, so we'll keep our eye on that, but make sure to pay attention to the forecast for the rest of tonight and into tomorrow to stay updated with changes. Back to you guys.